Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Midas Philip Jibo. I'm the team lead of Cloud Express. A lot have asked me questions about the software we make use of that is our trading activities on Forex, on synthetics, well trade synthetics, derivative synthetics, and people have asked me so many questions. The software is called Bekenet software, and I can tell you it's very, very fantastic. I'm going to take you through on how and the opportunity that are available in this. Number one, of course, it helps you to simplify trading because one, it gives you notifications on your mobile phone for buy and sell. Number two, it gives you notifications on zones, that is a rejection zone where the market had gotten to exhaustion point and about to take a reversal. It gives you notification. Another thing is that you have opportunity to review and check other things on the platform, but notification on when to buy, when to sell, all right, notifications on when the market had gotten to exhaustion point. It gives you notification on trend, or okay, you can check the trend on the platform. You can use voice command to check signal. So in other words, you are just a signal provider. You provide for yourself, you can provide for your friends and all of that. But the lovely thing is that you don't need to know too much. You just to follow the simple instruction rules because this software works as dynamic as possible to pick key levels based on price action. So it gives you signals based on price action, not technical indicators and all of that. It purely price actions and key levels to see when market is reversing or when market is breaking out of a point and then moving to the next level. And that's why you're going to love this software. Okay, so I'm going to take you through on the application. Those of you who are marketers, if you want to promote the platform too, you can make income by referring your friends, and that's another thing you're going to love in that. But I say to you, this software is super, super amazing. So let me take you to the software interface and how, what is those functions I'm going to take you through because you can use it for softwares. You can trade Forex, you can trade synthetics on where trade, on deriv, and all of that. So this is amazing. And in fact, these are simplified. So this is mobile trading view and simplified version that even a layman will just follow simple instructions and use it to trade. So let's quickly go and I will put you the interface and how the Bekenet software actually works and why you need Bekenet software. Okay, I know you're going to love it. Seriously, you're going to love it. So I'm going to go to Bekenet software. So quickly, I'm going to log into my Bekenet software. All right, so I'm going to show you my Bekenet software. Here we go, Bekenet software. All right, let's go. So this is the Bekenet software application. So I'm going to share with you now. All right, let's go. So this is Bekenet software, okay? Now, this is Bekenet software, like I've told you. So let's go here. I'm going to take up the software. Lovely. This is the software. Now, so look at it. It has so much stuff. But I'm going to go to the page for you to see. So I'm going to go to Forex Tools, right? Now, if you look at it at the screen, you see different function. It has a right video to explain to you, pips calculation, risk management. It gives you all of those things, okay? Give you all of these things. So I'm going to show you one thing. First, I'm going to show you on what we call rejection zone. This is crazy, amazing stuff. Rejection zone, look at what it tells you. So in the morning when market open, ACR session, when market open, it's going to take over the market and screen them and show you where the market is actually rejecting from. And of course, thereafter, I will send you notification for you to enter. But even if I were you, I can invariably look at my market and it's a AUD card, all right, and give you the accuracy of what the rejection zone you expect, AUD card. No, so you now know which instrument do you actually trade out of this one. Look at US 30, all right, rejection zone, advanced, and it's telling you to buy. And that's a rejection zone at about 457 39 and all of that. So I'm going to do one experiment for you to see. This is quite amazing. Not everyone understands this. So if I go to my let's go to my MT5 and show you something. Let's go this way, for instance, US 30. Yes, US 30. Where is US 30? Yes, US 30, Don Jones. Oh my God. You can see something that's giving you signal to enter the trade. And so let's go. This is US 30. Okay, so there we go, US 30. Okay, let's go. And it give you rejection zone. Okay, so it give you rejection zone. Okay, so US 30, that's TJ. Where you go? Yeah, there you go. US 30. Okay, US 30. I give you the rejection zone. So I'm going to do this just to show my rejection zone on US 30. Okay. Yep. So this is it. US 30 rejection zone. I'll click save. So I'll come back. Look at it. See what it has given to us, that this is a rejection zone on US 30. And it said, therefore, you should look for opportunity to buy. That as long as this market has refused to break below this zone, this is a rejection zone, that we should go ahead and look for a buy. Now, sometime you may wait and then it's going to give you notification of when to buy. Look at it. Imagine you have gotten this, then you will have been money, and then the market is still buying. Okay. So this is just to show you, all right? This is just to show you. You can see amazing thing that we're doing with this guy. You can't just imagine it. You can't just imagine it. Okay, probably you want to see the full screen. You can just imagine this stuff. I'm telling you, this is super, super, super amazing. All right, this is super amazing. This is super amazing. Look at it. Something giving you and say, this is the rejection zone. And then you can go ahead and buy. So buy, and then sometimes you wait, and then the market give you, and then you have make a lot of money. That's one out of many. Now I'm going to go to another one on this same Bekenet software. So let's go to go. Now we now have this is another latest massive thing. It's called market overview. It's called market overview. So I'm going to go to tools again, and then you're going to see, look at market overview here. Look at market overview here. Here you have it. Can you see? Market overview. So I'm going to click on it. Market overview. So it's going to give me an overview of the market. Now, if it's in the morning, of course, it's going to show me so much. All right. So look at it. Market overview. What are you seeing? AUD card is telling you weekly is on buy, strong buy, and that's the market bias. Now telling me daily is to buy, midday is to buy. So imagine you wake up in the morning just for me to take my Bekenet software. I said, Bekenet software, where are we going today? And he said, look at it, AUD chef for buy, sell. So I wouldn't go for signal that have mix up. I want to go to signal that rhyme, right? AUDJPY, some mix up. Look at it. AUDSND, buy, sell. Okay, look at AUDUSD, buy, buy. Come on. Look at it. It's a professional loan only. Now, BTC, buy, sell. I don't like that. All right. Card chef, sell. Okay. I love this. Right. So I will just pick the one that appeals me so much. Look at it. See this one, chef, buy. Chef, Chef JPY. I don't trade all of this instrument anyway, but this is a signal provided by Bekenet software. This is a software. This is not this is AI software. So this is not what do we call it? Okay. So this is AI software. This is not just like algorithm that is going to be programmed based on indicator. No, this is a software that give you a kind of, hey, you know what? Market is moving this. In fact, when you enter a trade and the trade is going well, you still have a means of monitoring the trade to tell you that, oh, you know what? This your trade is no longer good. Yes. It will tell you to exit. It still give us notification for exit. Right? Yeah, just know that maybe your trade has not hit your take profit. Bekenet software still have solution to give you an exit. So I'm not going to go through all of these. These are tools available here: risk management, set key level alert, set price alert, set all of this. This is fantastic. That is on Forex. Now you have on synthetic derivative synthetic. Look at derivative synthetics. You still have market overview on derivative synthetics the same way. Come on. What, man? I don't know what I should be doing now again. Look at it. So it just simplify the whole thing for me. Okay. This is Bekenet software in action. You just have yourself to enjoy trade with ease, no stress, stress-free. Look at this sell volatility 75. Sell. Now, if I'm going to go to TradingView, I'll show you, but it has an inner, chart that you can check. So sell. Now, I would rather look for the one that have the same thing, weekly, daily, and midday sell. Okay, I'll go for that one, and then I'm going to trade. Now, this is internet. I'm just showing you through massive thing on this software, how it works, and what you can use this software to do. So we still use it to trade um, right? Synthetics on well trade. You can see market overview, all of these things. Now, this is just one aspect, okay? Now, this is just one aspect. The same thing, you have voice command. You can ask the Bekenet software to show you, to give you trend, which market is trending, right? Just like we have it here. If I go to tools, you see, look at it, trend PS, right? Mark direct trend direction. If you look at trend PS, if I click on that now, look at trend PS, AUD chair, strong bearish, 200 pips to down, right? AUD JPY, strong bearish, AUD USD bullish, all right? Card chair bullish, bearish, and all of this. Look at it, AUD JPY, strong bearish, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a software that's so dynamic and flexible for you to trade. Now, this is one aspect. Now, let me now go. Now, this software give you all of this. Now, it give you notification. Now, let's go to the notification for you to find and then take a trade. Now, let me tap this. Let's see the notification. It come to your phone. Look at this, a PS was this US 30 Wednesday rejections at this level. Okay, right. Look at this. This one I check on the phone. It has already given the notification in the morning, and they say, "Oh, you know what, man, this market is rejected at this blah 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 blah." Okay, can you go ahead, and all of that. I'm going to tell you. You go to FOREX inbuilt chart, all right, and I will click on US 30, and then I say load. Oh my God, this is the best time to be alive, guys. Say load, and then I click on setting, and now go here, and then I click on setting, and I click on weekly key level. Now look at it. Oh my word. It's telling us, look at it at the PV point. Look at it. Look at the market. Look at it. Oh, so look at the market here. Guys, look at the market. Look at this candle. Is it not too fantastic? Trading with ease. You just trade as if you were a pro, and then with the rest of mind. Yes, just to follow simple instruction. I'm just giving you an overview. Look at on daily, the same thing. Come on, look at it. Extremely bullish. Same market. Now, this is approaching the next resistance point. Now, when you want to take a trade, sometimes it's going to tell you if it's not strong enough. Imagine it will still tell you that this signal is not strong enough, leave it, because if it's in the morning, it's going to tell you maybe it's 75, maybe it's 95, maybe it's 80 accuracy, maybe 78 accuracy. It's going to tell you. This is super, what I mean, super amazing. And that's the software that we use to trade, to make money with rest of mind. And so for me, just to come, yeah, pick it. And then, so with this, you don't need unnecessary grammar from anybody. All right. So I just want to show you the trade I took. All right. On because when a lot of persons will ask me question, how do you take this? How do you trade with this and all of that? So I'm just giving you a summary of what this software is capable of doing for you. All right. So this is the amazing stuff about this. You don't need to have any unnecessary technical knowledge for you to use it. It's just to follow simple instruction. All right. So you can see when he was telling us that Bitcoin was bearish, we were following and we saw what happened in Bitcoin. We saw what happened on all the market that it gave to us. Now, this software is amazing. Listen to me. It's amazing. And one of the lovely things is that we have it, all right? Everyone in our community have access to it. Okay, you want to ask me, how much does it take to get this software? Well, monthly, depending on the market you want to trade, if it's forex, if it's synthetics, and all of that, monthly it costs you just $100. Because something that have done all the dirty job for you, just do everything and you hold your peace. Look at it. Look at it. Come on, look at the market. It told us that this is the, it told us that this point was the rejection level and it's not going to go below this. But if you go below this, because it's going to tell you that if the market is going to go below this, look at it, this is a respected level. If it's going to go below this, it's going to tell you that, oh, the market, if it break this point, that means we are not going to be buying, we're going to be selling. But it told us that it for buying, and then for that, you want to take a trade. But even at that point, it's still waited and going to give you a signal of when to enter. For instance, look at it here. When he told us that it's the key level, right? As a point that it's a rejection level, meaning that the market don't want to go down further below this point. Now, at the end of the day, I trade US 30 at, NYC. So, because sometimes if you had entered here, you may be discouraged and you will exit. So I love when market is going to take its journey as it holds its journey, it move. You understand? That's exactly what I do. When I'm trading, I don't want to enter a trade and then I'll be struggling, snoring, slowing, sleeping on it. No. So that's why I wait for NYC. And now look at it. Boom, NYC open, market deliver. Fantastic. And that's exactly what this software does for us. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen, I'm just giving you this software. It's not difficult. Just need a mobile phone. Your Android mobile phone is the only thing you need. Then we show you how to install. All right. You subscribe, you install your phone. It gives you notification. You hear me right? It gives you notification. It notify you on your phone. You are snoring. It's going to be doing its work and sending you, notifying you, telling you, hey, you know what? Market, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's all you need. Buy, sell, buy, sell. That's what the guy is going to be giving to you. He's going to be telling you buy, sell, buy, sell. Now I'm seeing buy Euro USD correction. Now it's telling me buy Euro USD correction. So let me look at it. Buy Euro USD correction. So it's telling me buy Euro USD correction, right? So let me look at it. Because I got the signal. All right, so buy Euro USD correction up to where? Up to 1 point, where is it? Is this Euro USD? Yeah, correction. Perfect correction has rejected this zone. Okay, now it's time to buy. Okay, okay, as at the time, okay, I was not even there. Correction or now it gave the signal. That was down here. Okay, so sometime if you do not come to check your signal on time, it will get filled up and all of that. Okay, so this is how this software give you direction of where to enter from, where to trade from, and all of that. And then you just be fine. You just be making money, right? You just be fine and be making money. Ladies and gentlemen, this is super amazing, and you can afford to miss this opportunity of this software. Bekenet software is something else. It's super amazing. It's out of this world. I must tell you, it's super, super amazing. So if you are still staying behind, don't waste time. Chat out with me on my number +234 90 470 44998 +234 90 470, right? 470 44998. Why do I ask you to chat out with me? So that I put you through how to get on board on this software. And then the good news is that if you are with us on Capitalxtend broker, this is amazing. Okay, look at. So I got a notification again on Bitcoin, and so if I scroll down to this, what Bitcoin is doing now, so see where I'm going to what do they call it? Refine. So I refine my market to get a sniper entry. The funniest thing is that the software equally have internal sniper entry, 30-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute sniper entry, and all of that you could go to check and see how to enter. So this is the software as amazing as possible. You want to take a trade and you take a trade and all of that. So once signals comes, you just see it on your phone. It just notify you on your screen. And you also tap on the screen. And then, so let me just go back there on the screen and we see the signal, how it comes, okay? We'll see the signal, how it comes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. We'll see the signal, how it comes. Shared my screen. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, so now look at it. Let's see. Now, this is a notification. So let me tap on this. Let's see this. What is it saying? Close volatility. Maybe a trade I have entered is telling me close volatility 75 now. All right. Okay, so why? He said this setup is from Retracement Pro Max setup. Please use the inbuilt. He said we should close it. Okay, probably maybe we're buying before selling. Okay, we're selling. See, so say we should close it. Let's go. So this is derive because volatility is derive instrument 75. He said we should close it. So I load it. All right, I click on settings. Let me see why it's telling me to close it. All right, so let's see. Let me go to weekly key level. Good. So you can see now, he said we should close it because we've been selling and it has gotten to a key level, a support level. So it's not telling you it could be dangerous, you still holding the sell, right? Not telling us to close it. Perhaps the market want to start moving up and all of that. So with that, I can take a signal, all right? And I go to my trade, so I can check another one. Let's check another one. Let's check another one. Let's see. This says, okay, buy Euro USD correction token. This was old one. All right. This was old one. All right. Let me check this. Okay, sell DXY correction down like A. So it's still DXY. It's just telling you the rejection. So this how the software, you just with ease, no stress, just enjoy yourself. No stress. Now look at it. I told you about the, let me say something. Let me use the voice command. Show command list.
Thanks for asking me. Let me repeat your question. Show command list. I have loaded the command list page. Kindly look below the red box and scroll down to find all the commands that you need.
Check bearish move.
Thanks for asking me. Let me repeat your question. Check bearish move 1. CAD CHF pair is fully ready to sell. Note CAD CHF pair has a very weak trend slow move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account. 2. Odd CHF pair is fully ready to sell. Note odd CHF pair has a very strong trend massive move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account. 3. DXY pair is fully ready to sell. Note DXY pair has a very strong trend massive move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account. 4. NZDCHF pair is fully ready to sell. Note NZDCHF pair has a very strong trend massive move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the inbit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account. 5. USDCHF pair is fully ready to sell. Note USD CHF pair has a very strong trend, massive move. And please apply proper risk management. Secondly, kindly use the InBit chart to see if this signal is close to a support or a resistance before you place this trade on your account.
Carry. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see now, this is a voice command. Assuming I didn't get any notifications and I want to find a trade, so I can come and ask in the commands, the voice command, and it's going to tell me this trade, this trade, this trade, yeah, this trade, this trade, this trade, and all of that. And so, me, I switch into action, follow the simple instruction, and make money. This is the fantastic thing I've ever seen. This is amazing. So, no stress, no struggle. You just find as much as possible. Okay. So I hope it helped a lot of us who are asking me questions about what Bekenet software is all about and how does it work and is it beneficial? What's the win rate? Amazing, super amazing. If you can just follow the simple instruction. All right. So my name is Midas Ifalijimo, and I'm sure this is going to help. You can't just have what we're trading effortlessly. People who don't know much are trading effortlessly. So you are just a signal provider by yourself, as simple as possible. So see you. Look at the comment section there. There's a link for the Bekenet software and how to register. And then you're going to see registration link. Register, contact me, and I'll put you through. Thank you. Do have a nice time. And bye for now.